Would you know what to say in a French clothes shop if you couldn't find the size you want, or if you wanted to exchange some clothes, or even if you wanted to know where the changing room is? Well, in this video, I'm going to give you 16 sentences to help you survive in a French clothes shop. Okay, so we are going to learn some practical sentences if you were to find yourself in a French clothes shop. For example, the word or the verb essayer. Now, essayer means to try or to try on. So you could use it such as Je voudrais essayer ce pantalon. I would like to try on these trousers. Je voudrais essayer ce pantalon. La cabine d'essayage, the changing room. So you've got essayer to try and essayage, the trying, okay, on. Où est la cabine d'essayage? Where is the changing room? Où est la cabine d'essayage? La taille, that's the size, la taille. Avez-vous une taille plus grande? Avez-vous une taille plus petite, s'il vous plaît? Do you have a bigger or smaller size, please? Avez-vous une taille? Cette taille est trop grande. This size is too big. Cette taille est trop petite. This size is too small. Une autre couleur. A different color or another color. Avez-vous cette jupe dans une autre couleur? Avez-vous cette jupe dans une autre couleur? Do you have this skirt in a different color? Une réduction, that's a discount. Est-ce que j'ai droit à une réduction pour cette robe car elle est déchirée là? Am I entitled to a discount for this dress because it's torn here? Am I entitled to a discount? Une réduction. Combien coûte? How much is? Combien coûtent ces chaussures? How much are these shoes? Combien coûte? Now this comes very useful if you're in the market, for example, and the price tag is not written on the object you want to acquire. So, combien coûte? How much is? À quelle heure? At what time? À quelle heure fermez-vous le magasin ce soir? What time do you close the shop tonight? À quelle heure fermez-vous le magasin ce soir? Now, equally, you can talk about les heures d'ouverture, the opening time, les heures d'ouverture et de fermeture, and the closing time. So, ouvert, open, fermé, closed. En solde, les soldes. On sale, the sales. Est-ce que ce t-shirt est en solde? Is this t-shirt in the sale? Est-ce que ce t-shirt est en solde? Numéro 9. Échanger, to exchange. Échanger. Je voudrais échanger ces chaussettes. I would like to exchange these socks. Je voudrais échanger ces chaussettes. Se faire rembourser. Number 10, to be reimbursed. Now, not here that the verb rembourser on its own means to reimburse, to give the money back, but se faire rembourser. And there is a video on the verb faire. We do a lot of faire, okay? And we use faire in this context as in se faire rembourser to make yourself reimbursed, so to be reimbursed. Je voudrais retourner cet article et me faire rembourser. I would like to return this item and be reimbursed. Un avoir, and that's a credit note. Le magasin peut vous faire un avoir si vous le souhaitez. The shop can issue a credit note if you wish. Le magasin peut vous faire un avoir si vous le souhaitez. Un bon d'achat, a coupon or a voucher. J'ai reçu un bon d'achat de 20 € pour Noël. I received a 20-euro voucher for Christmas. J'ai reçu un bon d'achat de 20 € pour Noël. Un ticket de caisse, a receipt. Avez-vous votre ticket de caisse? Do you have your receipt? Avez-vous votre ticket de caisse? Do you have your receipt? Gardez le ticket de caisse. Keep the receipt. Gardez le ticket de caisse. Le miroir, the mirror. Y a-t-il un miroir? Is there a mirror? Y a-t-il un miroir? Or you could say, où est le miroir? Where is the mirror? Numéro 15, retourner. That means to return. Excusez-moi, puis-je retourner ce pantalon s'il ne me va pas? Excuse me, could I return these trousers if they do not fit me? And that brings me on to the last one. Now listen to this sentence again. Excusez-moi, puis-je retourner ce pantalon s'il ne me va pas? Now, of course, we don't use the verb fit, like fit in English. We use the verb aller, to go, and or to fit, okay? Cette jupe vous va très bien. This skirt fits you well. But technically, word for word, it means this skirt is going well on you, if that makes sense. But that's the way we say this skirt fits you well. So remember that the verb aller means both to go or to fit. Okay, that's it for me. Remember, if you want the words in the super guide available with this lesson, you have to sponsor to my channel. And why don't you have a look at other videos here related to surviving in French, in France and in French, obviously. That's it for me. Subscribe, please, and leave a comment. Au revoir, à bientôt. Bisous, bisous. Salut!